Hi guys, I'm Cash with CashedOutCars, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to pull one of these side marker lights on a MK5 Volkswagen. Now they actually made this super simple. You don't need any tools. All you have to do is press on the front of the light, which will pop it out, and then you can just pull the light out of the bumper and you're good to go. So as you can see, this thing's just held on by a clip right here and the wire that goes to the light, and to get to the bulb that's inside this thing, all you have to do is twist it and pull, and then you have access to the bulb, which you could just wiggle out of place to change, and you're good to go. Now to replace this bulb, all you have to do is, it's a little bit difficult, but all you have to do is press it back into position and you're good to go. And to get it back into the housing, once again, it's just a little press and twist fit. Get that into position, get the front of the light in the car, and press it back into place. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video if you liked it, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.